Meet your new tiny friend. This charming clay mouse is a fun and easy project to try. Use your palm to get a nice round shape with a ball of gray clay for the head. Take 2 small black pins of the same size, push the eyes in and make sure they're secure but not too deep. For the ears, roll 2 small gray balls, then press them flat, then add a smaller pink circle on each, attach them on the top of the sides of the head. Use white clay for the teeth and pink for the nose to give that cute classic mouse look. Roll a piece of gray ball and attach the head on top of it. For the arms, place them in front of the body, shaping them to meet in the center. Make 2 small ovals, press them gently and attach them to the bottom of the body. And lastly, roll a long thin piece of black clay and curl it slightly. Congratulations, you have made your very own charming clay mouse. Follow us for all things clay.